Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you just one way to use BrainPOP videos with content in your classes. So I'm in a sample Canvas shell. I just created an assignment called BrainPOP example, and let me show you how I might use BrainPOP in my class. So link to video. Unfortunately, we cannot embed BrainPOP videos directly into Canvas, but there are some easy workarounds here. So I'm just writing in some simple directions here. So link to video. So down below, put in your points. For this one, I'm actually going to use the external tool called Cami, starting with a K, Cami with a K. So this creates a Cami Google Drive assignment. Now I have to find that assignment inside of my Google Drive. And I'm doing one just on cats. It's right here. And I'll show you how I got this worksheet from BrainPOP here in a second. So I'm just going to select that. And there we go. So the worksheet's actually going to be down below. This is a video about cats. So I'm just going to find this video. All right, so I'm just going to link that assignment directly to this. So I'm just going to click up here, Control C. I'm going to link it right up here, Control V. All right, and I'm just going to have some simple directions. Use this movie to answer the questions on the worksheet. All right, I'm just going to click Save. So up here is the video. That's where the kids will go to watch the video. This down here is the worksheet. It seems like a scanned PDF. No, thank you. So from here, I can just go through and I can literally, I can zoom in if it's too small. Okay, house cats probably are descended from, and I can choose one. I could just write the answer right in here. You just type the answer in right up here. On a student's view, they would have a submit button up here, so you would be able to submit it from the student's view. I'm going to get rid of this because this is writing on the original teacher version, and I don't want to do that. Okay, let me show you how I got this worksheet. So this is a worksheet directly from BrainPOP, and let me show you how I got it in here. So inside BrainPOP, of course, there's all these different things on the side. There's the quizzes, the maps, the worksheets. I went to worksheet. And this is the worksheet that I have in Canvas, and all I did was print it, but not really print it. I want to print a blank. And I chose my printer as Save as PDF. So my printer is going to be a Save as PDF. I'm just going to click Save. I want to call it Cats Worksheet. It's going to be in my downloads folder. That's important. You want to know where it is. All right, so in my Finder right here, you can see this is the cat worksheet that I just downloaded. That I'm just going to drag into my Google Drive, and that is what I'm using for my Cami worksheet. So for example, Science Quarter 1, I did this already, but this is the worksheet that Cami is using right here. This is just the cats worksheet. I just drug it in here. It's a PDF. Once you're inside of Canvas, you can use that PDF and Cami. Remember, that's with a K. You can use this PDF and Cami, and kids can write directly on the worksheet. They can submit it to you directly in Canvas. Super easy. From a kid's perspective, let me show you what this looks like. I'm using my daughter's account. So my daughter, unfortunately, I made her be a student in my class, so she gets to see all of these things. Right here, BrainPOP example. Here's what it looks like from my daughter's perspective. My daughter has never used Cami with this shell before, so I just click with Google. This is the only tricky part with students, and I show this to you also in the Kami video that I made. They must use their .NET account. And then here we go. So nope. This is my daughter's account. I can zoom in if I want because it's kind of small. I can write in the text. There we go. When she's done, she can just submit it. Right here, link to the video. This just takes her to the video in another tab. So she can watch the video. And then she can just go back and forth between her worksheet. She can click submit when she's done. Yes, she wants to submit. She will still have this document in her Google Drive, so she can go back and edit it later. And then as a teacher, on my dashboard, I will see this right here, grade BrainPOP example. And here's my daughter's worksheet, and you can see right here, she wrote the word solitary. You can see she wrote the word solitary. If I wanted to, I could comment back and forth on this. So we could write back and forth on the same thing, or I could just see what she wrote or what she drew. And that's just one way to use BrainPOP and all the resources that comes with BrainPOP. All right, email me if you have any questions. Thanks.